India's merchandise exports hit record $45.2 billion in May 2026. India's merchandise exports reached a historic $45.2 billion in May 2026, making one of the strongest performances in the country's trade history and highlighting India's growing importance in global commerce. The record growth was largely driven by strong shipments of petroleum products, engineering goods, electronics, and manufactured products, reflecting a broader transformation of India's export profile beyond traditional sectors. The latest export figures demonstrate India's strengthening position within global supply chain as demand rises across Asia, Africa, Europe, and West Asia, while global companies continue to diversify sourcing and manufacturing networks. Why did India's exports rise to $45.2 billion? India's export growth was supported by a combination of industrial expansion, strong international demand, and improving competitiveness across major sectors. Several industries emerged as key contributors. Petroleum products lead export growth. Petroleum products remained one of the largest contributors to export expansion. Although India imports crude oil, it possesses one of the world's largest refining capacities, enabling it to process crude into higher value products and export them globally. Major exported petroleum products include diesel, aviation fuel, refined petroleum products, industrial fuels. This refining advantage continues to strengthen India's role in global energy trade. Engineering goods strengthen manufacturing position. Engineering exports contributed significantly to the overall rise. Products witnessing strong demand included industrial machinery, auto components, manufacturing equipment, industrial tools. Growing exports in this category reflect improvements in India's manufacturing ecosystem and industrial capability. Electronics become a major export driver. Electronics emerged as one of India's fastest growing export segments. Rising production of smartphones, electronic components, consumer electronics, technology hardware has helped India integrate more deeply into the international technology supply chain. The sector expansions also supports employment generation and higher value manufacturing. What changed in India's export performance? India's latest export performance signals an important structural shift. Traditionally, India relied heavily on exports such as textile, gems and jewelry, agricultural products. However, higher value manufacturing categories including electronics, engineering goods and industrial products are becoming increasingly dominant. The trend reflects diversification of export categories, expansion into new international markets, reduced dependence on limited trading partners, greater resilience against global disruptions. This transition is becoming increasingly important amid geopolitical tensions and changing global trade patterns. Key factors behind India's export growth: manufacturing expansion, global supply chain diversification, demand across new markets. Top countries buying Indian products: US, UAE, Netherlands, Singapore, UK. Emerging African markets: Tanzania and South Africa are becoming increasingly important.